Hi everyone, in this video, you'll learn what is the HTML video element and how it is used. The HTML video element is used to display a video on a web page. To display a video in HTML, use the video element, as you can see in this code. And you can see the preview here. How it works. The controls attribute adds video controls, such as play, pause, and volume. As you can see here, the width and height attributes are recommended to prevent the page from flickering while the video loads. As you can see here, the source element lets you specify alternative video files for the browser to choose from, using the first recognized format. As you can see here, the text between the opening and closing video tags will be displayed only in browsers that do not support the video element. As you can see here, autoplay video. To have a video start automatically, use the autoplay attribute, as you can see in this code. And you can see the preview here. Autoplay video muted. Autoplay is not supported in Chrome browser, but muted autoplay is always allowed. So, you can autoplay the video in mute mode for browser compatibility, as you can see in this code. And the preview typically looks like this. HTML video media types. There are 3 supported HTML video media types, which are MP4, WebM, and OGG. HTML video browser support. The browser support for the HTML video tag is given here. Edge supports all 3 media types. Chrome supports all 3 media types. Firefox supports all 3 media types. Safari supports only 2 media types, MP4 and WebM. Opera also supports all 3 media types. This was all about the HTML video element. Please check the video description for more information. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorial videos.